Morning team, so we've nearly made it to the top of 90 Mile Beach. It's a glorious morning up here in the far north. We're about to turn off the most northern exit point of 90 Mile Beach and go for a little 4x4 adventure up the Tepaki stream. We camped in Aripaha last night, which is the southern end of 90 Mile Beach, and made the 88-kilometre drive this morning up the beach. 90 Mile Beach is only 88 kilometres long. The story goes it was named 90 Mile Beach by the early European settlers who knew their horses could travel around 30 miles per day. So when it took them 3 days, they assumed it should be around 90 miles. No consideration was taken for the slow going and the soft sand. Anyway, that's enough fun facts for today. We're going to stop shortly, cook up some breakfast on the beach, and stay tuned. We'll take you for an epic four-wheel drive adventure up the Tepaki stream. The Tepaki sand dunes are clearly visible on Google Earth. They are a whole 10 kilometres long and 1 kilometre wide strip of dunes rising over 150 metres high, and the Tepaki stream runs through the dunes. Driving the stream can be soft in summer when it dries out, but generally it's pretty easy for driving. Highly recommend bringing a sliding device for some sand surfing, although we didn't think that far ahead. We didn't see the no dog sign until we drove out. Lucky there were no Karens out today. like and subscribe for more adventures with us.